Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about finding the volume using the rectangular prism formula. So the rectangular prism formula, you might remember, is volume is equal to the length times the width times the height. Sometimes you might see mathematicians getting lazy and just writing volume is equal to LWH. And remember, whenever we get lazy, really between those letters is a multiplication symbol. We just like to cut out some time if we don't have to write in the multiplication symbol. Let's test out and let's see if we can find our volume. Remember, volume is always measured in cubic units. So we're really trying to figure out how many cubes would fit into this shape. If I said that I could fit 3 meters along here, and I could fit 10 meters along here, and I could fit 2 meters along here, to find my volume, all I have to do is I have to find my length and my width and my height. Remember, we're not going to multiply more than 3 numbers together. Even if it shows us all the other numbers up here, we're only going to find one set of lengths, one set of widths, and one set of heights. So I'm going to plug in the numbers that I know. My volume is equal to a length of 3 times a width of 10 times a height of 2. 3 times 10 times 2. Well, 3 times 10 is 30. 30 times 2 is going to give us 60. If I just wrote 60, it would be the wrong answer because I'm talking about volume, and volume is measured in cubic units. This is 63 meters cubed. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to give you some numbers, and I want you to find the volume. Remember, volume is found by doing the length times the width times the height. I'm going to give you some numbers. Let's go with 2 feet and 5 feet and 3 feet. A 2 foot by 5 foot by 3 foot cube or prism. Go ahead and see if you can find the volume of this prism. Pause the video, and when you're done, come on back. Okay, to find the volume of this prism, first I'm going to plug in the things that I know. Volume is equal to 2, its length, times 5, its width, times 3, its height. Then I'm going to solve. 2 times 5 is 10. Bring down the 3, which I didn't use. 10 times 3 is 30. If I just wrote 30, it wouldn't be the right answer because I have to make sure I use the correct units. This is 30 feet cubed. 30 feet cubed. Let's try one more like this. All right, remember our volume formula. Volume is equal to the length times the width times the height. I'm going to plug in some numbers and I want you to try it. Let's say this is 6 inches by 12 inches by 3 inches. See if you can solve it. Pause the video now and see if you can solve it. Okay, when you go to solve it, I plug in the numbers that I know. Volume is equal to 6 times 12 times 3. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the order of operations to say I need to do 6 times 12 first. 6 times 12 is 72. Then I'm going to do 72 times 3. 72 times 3, 3 times 2 gives me 6. 3 times 7 gives me 21. 216. If I just wrote 216, I would get the wrong answer because this is 216, not regular inches, but inches cubed. All right, I hope this helped, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.